You're wearing a heavy winter coat inside your own living room, shivering while you stare at a heating bill that looks like a car payment. So you walk over to the thermostat and crank it up. The radiator kicks on, pumping out maximum heat. But you are still freezing. You can practically feel the warmth pouring off the radiator, yet it completely refuses to stick around in the lower half of the room where you're actually sitting. You are paying a fortune to heat your house, but invisible forces are actively stealing that expensive warmth right out from under you. The primary culprit behind your freezing living room is Archimedes' Principle of Buoyancy. Looking at these air molecules, we see what happens when the radiator kicks on. As the air heats up, molecules spread apart, expand, and drift upward, physically becoming less dense. Simultaneously, heavier, densely packed cold air sinks to the floor to replace it. Thanks to basic fluid dynamics, your house functions exactly like a giant hot air balloon. It naturally hoards all your expensive heat near the ceiling and up on the second floor, leaving the ground level completely freezing. If you have an open fireplace, this vertical heat loss multiplies exponentially. This happens through a natural ventilation phenomenon known as the stack effect. In this cross-section, we see the stack effect. Warm air acts as a giant vacuum, hunting for high openings, like an open flue, and escapes into the winter sky. Up to 30% of a home's heat escapes an unblocked chimney, even without a fire. Leaving that flue open means you are paying a heavy premium to heat the outdoor air directly above your roof. As all that hot air escapes out the top, it creates a massive pressure difference inside the house. Because nature hates a vacuum, the house aggressively sucks in freezing outdoor air to replace the lost heat. Looking at the lower levels of our diagram, we see freezing drafts shooting inward through gaps in the floorboards, windows, and doors. You end up fighting a physically exhausting, losing battle against a continuous wave of low-level drafts blasting you right in the ankles. Turning up the thermostat without fixing these leaks actually accelerates the cycle. You push more heat out the roof, which pulls even more freezing air across your floors. The only way to stop this is to break the thermodynamic cycle by permanently plugging the escape route at the very top of the house. The easiest physical fix is to shove a thick, inflatable chimney balloon right up into the fireplace flue and pull the string tight. Returning to our cross-section, watch what happens when the chimney is sealed. The upward airflow is blocked, erasing the internal pressure vacuum. Without that continuous suction from above, those freezing blue drafts at the bottom of the house shrink and disappear as the pressure stabilizes. Stopping the internal air circulation at the source is vastly more effective than continuously forcing your radiator to generate new heat. With the drafts gone, we can optimize the room's thermal dynamics by pushing large, heavy bookshelves and sofas right up against the cold exterior walls. This top-down layout shows dense furniture acting as insulation. A barrier forms behind bookshelves, bouncing cold off exterior walls. Pushing furniture to the edges clears the center, allowing trapped warm air to circulate right where you relax. The result is a room glowing with steady heat. Relax comfortably in a t-shirt while the energy meter ticks down to a crawl. By understanding the fluid dynamics of air density and the stack effect, you can stop fighting the laws of physics and start using them to keep your house warm and your wallet full.
If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe.